Hey, Chris, come here. Chris, come back. Welcome back, everybody. We're at Porsche Center Langley in the shop. Right behind me is a 3-liter flat 6 out of our 1980 911 SC project car. We're restoring the car for the first ever Canadian Classic competition put on by, of course, Porsche Canada. On this episode, I'm going to show you sort of a highlight reel of the motor actually coming out of the car. So right now, I'm going to take you a few weeks back in time to when we did the dirty deed. Stay tuned. Watch your thumbs.
It's too spongy. Loosen them up. Towards you again. Good.
Are you all disconnected up here for sure? You know?
For sure. Shifter like it's still through the camera.
Where are you going to put the radiator? My first question. Alright, everybody, there you have it. The motor is out of the car. The car itself is stripped down to where we're going to start turning around and putting all these new parts behind the camera back on it. So if you want to follow the build, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Porsche Center Langley. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of these videos, and I will see you on the very next episode of our 1989-11 SC restoration. On take 5, because that's the take we're on, because I can't get it right, but I almost got the last one, so I'm going to make this one a lot better.
This one I thought was going to come off so easy because of all the grease all over it.